Our participation in the cohort allows us to see what the needs are of our employees. We offer a lot of various services to our employees, but what's important to them to be able to maintain that work-life balance.
The dialogue sparks different ideas, and sometimes it's just having the space to have the conversation about being family friendly. And it's going to inspire some creative juices and conversations. And there's some small things that you'll learn about that you could implement without a lot of time, energy, and effort that you might not do otherwise. There's an HR kind of mindset and the finance expertise and mindset there.
The most important thing that we look at is retention of our employees. It's very expensive to re-educate and bring new employees aboard.
Knowing that Skagit Regional Health wants to become a more family-friendly workplace definitely does influence my future career here. It makes me want to stay here and plant my roots here.
You're not necessarily looking just to fill a position, but understanding that that potential candidate is interviewing us too, to have a good lifestyle work balance for their family as well.
Participation in this cohort, it's an investment in our employees. Investing in keeping our employees here, keeping them happy, is far better, both from a financial standpoint, but frankly from an overall quality of care standpoint. And it's a huge benefit to our patients and to our community.